Check it out, the brand new 2010 to 2013 Lexus GX Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. We have spent a lot of time working on this system to make sure that it seamlessly integrates with all of your factory features. This beautiful new 12-inch display is going to make your older GX feel like a brand new vehicle. I'm going to walk you through today the features on this kit. Here you can see wireless CarPlay. This system is going to have wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as wired CarPlay and Android Auto. Shifting to reverse will bring up your factory backup camera here. And of course, your parking sensors will continue to work. Back in CarPlay, I'll show you around. Any app with an Apple CarPlay component will automatically show up here in CarPlay. Our team pushes regular updates to our devices, and so we will keep your device on the newest system. As Apple updates CarPlay, your device will also update. You can see how much better music looks on this large, high-resolution display. You have access to all of your songs and cover art. Of course, Apple Music has radio and other features. Whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, or any other music app, you'll have access to all of your music here. Navigation is so much better with the new system.
Starting route to 1101 East Whitaker Mill Road. Proceed to Corporation Parkway, then take the first right.
You can see Siri here is reading your directions, and whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or another app, you'll have nice audible directions. It makes the vehicle safer and easier to drive. Our team spent a lot of time integrating this system with your factory microphone. That means phone calls will sound great and text messages or using Siri are a breeze. Hey Siri, text Adam.
What do you want to say to Adam?
We just made this Lexus feel brand new.
It says, we just made this Lexus feel brand new. Send it?
Send it.
Done.
You can see that's a pretty complicated sentence for Siri, and she had no problem hearing it with our microphone. Because we integrate with the factory microphone, phone calls also sound great. And you can make phone calls here on the device or by using Siri. You can configure Siri also to read your text messages aloud. You do that here in Announce Messages. Any app that has a CarPlay component, it'll automatically show up there. This is your split screen view. If you have navigation going, you'll be able to see your navigation here, and you have your music over here. This system is very powerful outside of CarPlay and Android Auto. Touching the Hamilton button brings us back to the factory Hamilton system. Here in the factory Hamilton interface, you have a lot of powerful functionality that's more powerful than even the newest vehicles on the market. You can install a 4G SIM card in this device so it has its own data connection. And from there, you can load apps directly onto the device from the Google Play Store. So let's say you ever jump in the car without your phone, or your phone is dead, or any other situation. You can have music natively playing from this device from Spotify or any other app that's available on the Google Play Store. The ability to add a SIM card gives you features that might not be available in CarPlay or Android Auto. If you don't want to add a SIM card, you can also use these apps, but you'd need to use your phone's hotspot for them to have data. This device will not allow you to access your factory screen, but we've integrated all of your factory screen's functionality into the Hamilton system. You'll see in the install video that we actually save the factory brain from behind the original screen. You'll have access to your FM radio, satellite radio, CDs. You can even play music via the Hamilton USB port, so you will not lose any ability to play music. To set your device to aux mode or change the audio mode, you can push the buttons down here. For CarPlay, you'll set it to aux mode, and when you set it to aux mode, it'll hit it back to the home screen. Changing your climate controls will automatically bring up the climate control panel here on the side. You also have a full climate app, and you won't lose any of your factory climate control functionality. Rerouting the air vents from originally up here to down here does not cause a significant loss in air volume. You can see in the installation video we include foam, and it allows you to get a really tight seal. You can also adjust the temperature from these small temperature adjusters here. You can navigate through the unit with these panel keys. This one here will turn the screen off. Pushing CP Link will bring you right back into CarPlay. Here on the home screen, you've got your original vehicle. That's for your audio modes. You've got navigation, so you can configure an app like Google Maps loaded natively onto the unit as your navigation app. You could also do that with music as well, or videos. Screen off will turn the screen off. We showed you the climate control page. These are your original vehicle settings, so because that factory interface is gone, you can adjust your original vehicle settings in here. Things like auto lock when you shift to park, things of that nature. Coming down here, you'll see the parking assist settings. It is part of our mission statement to make vehicles safer by adding Apple CarPlay and other features. So we definitely would not eliminate any factory functionality. You can see here you can adjust the sonar distance nearer or farther, just like you would originally. Back on the home page, once again, swiping over here allows you to load apps onto the unit, and clicking on CP Link will bring you right back into CarPlay. To add a SIM card, you can swipe down. There's your home button. We'll swipe down again into your Android settings. Then we come to settings here. Then you'd come to network and internet. This internet is where you'd pair the device to your phone's hotspot. You can use your hotspot to stream videos or music directly to the device. If you come to About Phone, you'll see the device name, and scrolling down will give you that IMEI number 1. You'd call your carrier and set up a SIM card for that IMEI. You'd give them the number on the SIM card you got, let's say T-Mobile, and then you'd plug that SIM card physically into the Hamilton port and restart the device. When you buy from Hamilton Motor Company, you can be confident your device is covered by our 3-year warranty we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. We designed the electronics in this device from the ground up right here in Raleigh, North Carolina, to make sure that these devices are going to go the distance. All of our circuit boards are gold-plated and use top-quality components at every level. Additionally, because we develop our products on American-spec vehicles, you can be sure that you're not going to have strange glitches or lose features. If you need any help before you make a decision or after you've purchased, you can give us a call at 919-858-2890, and you can talk to me or one of my team members. Check us out, HamiltonMotorCompany.com, for any of your Lexus, Toyota, Subaru, or Infiniti CarPlay needs. I'll see you in the next video.